Hello, I'm Ace and welcome back to Start With Toys. For this video, we are going to make another custom doll using a Rainbow Dash, and we'll transform her into, drumroll please, it is Bruno Mars. This is a request from one of the comments selected in my videos. I was going through a number of photos on the web and these pictures caught my attention. I wanted an iconic piece that screams Bruno Mars, so I decided to go with this look here where he is wearing a silk black top, gold chains, and his infamous 24 white baseball cap. Alright, so let's jump right into the transformation process, shall we? Here we go. First, I will remove the body and Rainbow Dash's luscious mane. Then I'll use a stick to hold the head to make this repaint process more manageable. I want to push the head firmly down into the stick to make sure it is secure. Next, I will dab on brown paint to cover the face and then allow it to dry before I can use modeling clay to scope out the hairstyle. Bruno has a funky fresh signature hair, curly hair, and I am using a sculpting tool with a fine point to make these tiny swirls before the clay dries out. Next, I will use modeling clay to scope out the baseball cap. Then I'll fill out the blacks and white areas of the eye, and I decided to skip out the eyelashes, that way it will look more masculine, and paint in the eyebrows in black. Here I'm using a flat brush to paint on the hair color. Back to the cap, I outlined the Roman letters 24K in pencil so the lettering is aligned, and I will use a fine tip marker to fill out the details. And once the marker is dried, I use a eraser to remove the pencil markings. Moving on to the body. In the photo, Bruno is wearing a simple black top with white shorts. I couldn't find photo of his entire ensemble, so I decided to give him white shoes to go with his shorts. And for the shoelace, I decided to go with white for now, and if you have a different color suggestion for a shoelace, feel free to comment in the comment section down below, and perhaps I'll go back and update this custom doll. So after a few more layers of the white paint, I'm going back in with details for the shorts. Referencing back to this photo here, he is wearing lots of gold chains, so I went back to my Little Pony accessories and found some necklaces which I dipped in gold paint. So I put everything together and this is the final look. I think it is super adorable. I love the baseball cap, XXIBK, which represents his 24 karat magic album, and also he wore this for one of his magazine cover as well. The gold chain, I really love how it pulls this look together. I love the shorts and the bracelets as well as the plain white shoes, which works well with this whole look. So If you love custom doll videos, please subscribe to my channel, Start With Toys, and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions or requests for a custom doll, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!